You'll have love at first sight with the 2015 Dodge Challenger. With less than 35,000 miles on the Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to have the powerful ride you really want. Get into the Challenger and drive.